Fam, this guy left his torch, yeah. He left his torch in my fucking wheel. I get bread, you can't even get a bread roll. I see by myself. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Shamsi here with a new video, and today we're going to be installing this Forge Motorsport dump valve. Yeah, so I picked this up for about 50 quid off eBay. It's brand new, it hasn't been used, and yeah, I think that's a good price for it, to be honest. And yeah, we're just gonna run through what's in the box and everything, and then yeah, I'll put the camera then. You got your atmospheric dump valve, all nice, shiny, polished, and yeah, I think this is like your boost control or something like that, whatever you call it. I don't know. There's a PDF online, so you can look at it there, find out what does what. But yeah, came with a little cheeky keychain. That's nice. In here, you should have all your relevant bits that you need to do the dump valve. Yeah, cool. You got your vacuum hose over there. You got your what do you call it? Math sensor, bracket adapter type shit. Yeah, you can go over there. Cable ties, you're gonna need this, and around it is your uprated spring. I think I might put this uprated spring in that one just to see how it sounds. But yeah, get your fucking sticker, cheeky sticker. I'm gonna put this on the intake. You get your bolt that you use to screw this in, and you got your posi taps, and obviously you got your bracket where this sits on. So it sits on like that. You unscrew your bolts, you screw back on, boom, sits on like that. This is your gasket, which goes along, obviously the bigger one goes along here, smaller one goes along here. Cool. And yeah, well, then you got your little wiring harness right now. Yeah, like I said, I went to go pick up a brand new, not brand new, but this is reused. This is a recirc one. That's an atmospheric, and this one had the you know, those two tap pops, whatever you call it. But yeah, I just want the whole new sensor, so I went to go get that. Okay, so the first step, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna locate your boost sensor, which is right there, and you want to take the adapter out of the kit, and then you're gonna need a Torx T25 screw or head, whatever. Then you're gonna unscrew it. It's literally just one bolt. So yeah, that's how you take off the boost sensor on the ST. Now you're gonna plug in the new adapter, just like how it lines up. You're gonna make sure that this hole lines up with the original screw. That's all you need, the original screw, so that's all good. And then once it's in, you literally screw it in and you just plug it in, and then boom, you're sorted. Okay, so on the driver's side, under the wheel arch, literally where the camera is focused, well, I'm trying to set up the camera right now, but that's where the stock diverter valve is, and it's literally 3 bolts holding it in and a sensor. So you gotta undo the sensor and the 3 bolts. But at this stage, I kind of stripped one of the bolts, so then I'm gonna fast forward to when I'm actually installing it and taking it off and everything like that. Okay guys, it's been a couple days since the last clip. The top left bolt, stripped it, and yeah, couldn't get it off, so I had to tighten everything back up and keep it moving. But I bought a hex adapter bolt remover type thing, so hopefully we can get the bolt out. If I don't get it out, then fucking hell. I'm currently at a garage right now trying to get it sorted. Hopefully I can get it sorted. But yeah. So this was the bolt. I managed to get the bolt off. This was the bolt, and as you can see, it's a bit, where is it? It's rounded off. I'm not sure you can see that. A bit rounded. So picked up essentially the same thing for about £2. Decent, not too bad. Sweet. Another day, another motherfucking dollar, right? Cool. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to take off the sensor, which is right there, that little white sensor there. Literally just push it and it comes straight out, mate. I was feeling it because it looked a bit wet in it, but it wasn't wet. So yeah, anyway, So once that's out, put it to the side so it doesn't get tangled up in anything, and yeah, now you can start unscrewing some of the bolts. Also, to get better access, you're gonna want to take off this cam bolt cover protector. It's 2 T30 bolts, one up there, one to the left, one to the right, and yeah, so you can get more access. Cool. So you got a lot you got a lot more access now, and yeah, so that's all right now. And then once that's out, this will be a great opportunity to plug in the sensor. I already unscrewed the diverter valve because fucking hell, it was a pain to get out, but 3 bolts, easy peasy. And yeah, plug the new sensor in. I'm gonna tuck that away to the side so I can continue with the install. Sweet. So once you've dealt with the sensor, you're gonna want to put on the new gasket that you get with the kit. If you don't put it on, you're gonna get an engine management light, so it's best to put it on. Now in this clip, what I'm doing, I'm basically setting up the vacuum hosing. I'm going into the boost solenoid, into the blow off valve, and then up to the adapter as well. It's usually just one straight line. So yeah, this is how you do it. And it's also best to cable tie it so the boost doesn't blow the vacuum hose off too. So yeah. So once that's done now, what you gotta do is literally just put the blower valve in, just like that. 3 bolts. It's best to put the bolt in first and then screw it in. Don't line it up and then put the bolt in. That's why I found it to be easier to just put the bolt in first, through the blower valve, and then into the actual turbo, and then you screw it in, and then yeah, should be all good. Then you just do up all the other bolts, and then yeah, you're sorted, mate. Cheers. And then I'm going to be putting in the second bolt in, and then after that I'm going to be putting in the third bolt. But with the third bolt, I'm going to be putting on the bracket. So the bracket would go over the third hole under Forge Motorsport blow-off valve, and then the bolt would go through it. And then yeah, so this is what I've done. I'll run the hose from the boost tap adapter all the way down into the final hose, into the final pipe, T-pipe, this part here, into the final one here, and then you push it in, you cable tie it, and then you just tighten up all the bolts, and then yeah, you're good, mate. You're good. Sweet. And that's how you install a Forge Motorsport dump valve. And then you're gonna hear the blow off noises at the end of the video. So yeah, cheeky install. 5 out of 10 difficulty, and yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. This is boy Shamsi signing out here, mate. Cheers, mate. Bye.